Ang dami ko rin nakikitang discussion online about how healing one's inner child is now tied to capitalism. Is it necessary na kailangan ang pag-heal ng inner child is...
Binibili.
Oo, may mga ganong discussion ako nakikita online eh. Parang hindi ba pwedeng i-channel siya sa ibang bagay? In my personal experience, sa patterns na nakikita ko recently, yes, and I'm not ashamed of it kasi legit siya na deserve ko. Kasi as a child na immature, talagang hindi mawawala yung, hala, bakit siya may ganun, ako wala. For me, valid naman siguro yung ginagawa ko na kung afford ko naman siya and if it makes me happy, I'll go for it. Check out natin yan. Bili natin yan. Ako naman yung nag-OT. Ako naman yung nag-work. So, give natin yan. Ikaw, anong masasabi mo sa mga take na parang kailangan ba pag healing your inner child, may binibili ka?
Yes, it always have something to do with money because if we would dig deeper, it's the things now we cannot acquire before which we already can now. Given na may work na tayo and we have the ability to earn our adult money, diba? But for me, I think I share the same thoughts with you. Meron lang ako siguro mga barriers na create for myself and things na feeling ko iiwasan ko. For one, I think yung idea ng pag-exploit ng mga capitalist dito sa idea ng healing your inner child. For me kasi not because nakita mo na uy, patok sa kanila yung mga ganito. So, ang ginagawa ng mga kapitalista, healing your inner child kayo, 'di ba? I would capitalize on that. Magpo-produce ako ng ganitong maraming. Then, it would just end up as another oversupply ng ganito, and then another fad would end. And parang naging senseless siya, 'di ba?
Siguro, as consumers, maganda na meron tayong self-evaluation muna before buying nga. Kasi sabihin natin na, oo, na-heal nga yung inner child mo. But, pag nabili mo ba yan, talagang may heal yung inner child mo? Or FOMO ka lang? But then again, take what resonates, leave what doesn't.
Take our words with a grain of salt.
Yeah.